know that 2024, most people still find it hard to apply for their international passport online? In this 2024 century, most people still don't believe that you can apply for your passport online without paying anyone. Yes, there are still category of people that don't believe that you can apply for your passport online without paying anybody in 2024 century. Whatever the case may be, in this video I will teach you how to apply for your passport step by step online, just with your mobile. Just keep on watching and learn, okay? Hi my sprinkles, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. In today's video, I'll be talking about the comprehensive step on how to apply for your international passport online with just your mobile. Just keep on watching to learn, okay? My sprinkle, it is very easy to apply for your international passport online. With just few steps, you'll be able to book your appointment day yourself online. The immigration officials have made their website very easy to navigate and understandable. Even a teenager can navigate it themselves and apply for themselves, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's go into this step quickly. Now, the next thing I'll talk about is the comprehensive step to take for a successful passport application. Is listen very well. In fact, bring out your pen and paper, start writing now at this point. Now, the first step to start the passport application is to visit the official website, which is passport.immigration.gov.ng. It will be written on the screen, okay? And if it's your first time to apply for a passport, you click on fresh start, okay? But if it's not, you will continue from where you want to continue. I believe that anybody watching this, the person just want to apply for the first time. The next step is to verify your NIN. Now, if you verify your NIN, they'll bring out your personal details. That's why you know your NIN has been verified. You also verify your birth certificate, because all these documents, you submit them later on in the application process. You have to verify these two documents and to be sure that they are correct. Also ensure you enter that 4-digit cashier number that will be there. Enter it correctly. And when your documents are verified, you will see your personal information displayed on the screen for you, okay? Then you move to the next step. Number 2 step is to select the amount of pages you are interested in. Remember, 32 pages is for 5 years validity, that is duration, that is 35,000, and for 64 pages is for 10 years validity, that is 10 years duration, and is 70,000 naira. So when you've picked the preferred one you want, at this point be careful and be on the lookout for your reference number. It will pop up and you just get a pen and paper and make sure you write it down. Don't lose the reference number, because later on you use that reference number to track your passport production status after your application, okay? Now, the next step is to upload your passport photograph, a picture photograph. Now, your passport photograph of you. One thing that is compulsory you must do is that your background must be white. No other color is accepted now. Is a white background. Now you can take yourself selfie camera on a white wall or a white background. Or if you're having issue, if you don't have a white background, if you have a black background like me, or your walls are not white, what you need to do, you can take pictures on that wall. You can take your passport selfie on that wall, or ask someone to take your picture on the wall. I have a video on my channel where I talk about how to remove your background from a picture. So you just go there, you go to CapCut and put your picture on remove background, then remove the background, then save the picture, then come back and upload it. Then you size it to fit the requirements they want. Now the fifth step is to fill your personal information. You see the way I'm listening step by step, that's how you're going to see it on the website. Don't jump anything. No, prepare yourself after watching this video. Use the video and fill up your application. Now at this point, you will need to fill your personal information like your marital status, your occupation, and your email. Okay, your other information like your name, your state of origin, your date of birth, your sex can't be changed at this point, because automatically from your NIN all those information has already been extracted and it has been added to your information. Now the sixth step is to fill up your contact information. You fill up your email address, your local government, your postal code, your phone numbers, and the rest. Okay, also your next of kin's detail will be needed: their phone number, their address, their email address, their hometown, and the rest of the information they need. Okay, now the eighth step is to submit your legit document. Those documents have to be legit and be original. You will need to submit the legit documents of your birth certificate, your NIN certificate, and your hometown identification certificate. These documents need to be original. Okay, this birth certificate is issued by the Nigerian Population Commission or declaration of age from High Court or local government. These are the people that can give you your birth certificate. Okay, make sure you download and print out your application form, your payment slip or receipt, print and download them, and your appointment slip. Then you should have your reference number. These four things are very, very important and vital. These are the evidence to show that you did the process. You have the appointment later after you have chosen your appointment day. After the eighth step I have talked about, now you have to pick out your appointment day and make sure you appear on that day. Not gonna pick out the day that you will not be chanced or you will not be available. Pick out a day that you'll be available. When you pick out your appointment day and you pick out the immigration office that is close to you, when you've picked out, what you need to do is to download and print out your appointment slip, your appointment form, and your payment slip or receipt. Print these three things out, and don't forget your reference number. Write it down and have it. Your appointment slip, you also have it, but write it down. You're going to use it to track your passport process. Okay, now